Hi, welcome to Artistic Documentation. In this tutorial, we will learn about some important problems about mathematics. So here today our first problem is find the domain and range of this function. So today we will learn about 10 different functional problems. Here our first problem is the domain and range. So how to calculate? So here you can see f of x or function of x equals to root over x negative 3. So here first we need to learn about the things like inside the root function the value outcome of the function will always be positive. So here first we will take down that x minus 3 greater than equals to 0. So here x equals greater than equals to 3. So here one of the steps is like x negative 3 positive 3. Here also both side we will add 0 plus 3. So plus 3 is added for both side, and here we will get x greater than 3. So the domain will be f of x equals to 3 and infinite. What about the infinite season or infinite? So how do we calculate? So here our function f of x equals to root over x negative 3. So here the value function is x and the value also belong to x. So here we will get the value of this function from the x-axis. There is no value of y-axis, so that's why our domain is 3 and infinite. So now come to the range. So whether the function, the domain value, one of the x value is 3, so here we will put f of x equals to 3 minus 3. So we are substituting from 3 to 3. So here we will get root over 0. So here root over 0 means the 0. So why do we substitute 3 negative 3 minus 3? So here the x value, the root over inside the root over or square root function, you will not get any negative value, so the range will be always positive. So here we will get the range f of x equals to 0 and infinite. So this is our answer. This is domain, and here this is range. Okay, so now come to another problem. So today our second problem is function evaluation. So here f of x or function of x equals to x square or x to the power 2 minus 2x plus 5. So find f of 3. So we need to change the value, x value, with the 3. So f of 3 equals to 3 over 2 minus 2 times 3 plus 5 plus 5. So here we will get 3 times 3 equals to 9 minus 2 times 3 equals to 6 plus 5. So here 9 and 5 minus 5 minus 1 equals to 8. So here f of 3 equals to 8 for this function. So now come to another problem. Is here today our third problem is the function f of x is shifted 3 units right and 2 units up. Write the transformed function if f of x or function of x equals to x to the power 2. So first we will draw a graph. So here our x-axis. So consider here any point of x value, and here inside the question you need to tell you have the question told to do these things, like shifted 3 units right. Okay, so 3 units right, 1 2 3. So 3 units right, so here x minus 3. Okay, so here x minus 3 plus, here you can see the 2 units up, so 2 units up means y-axis. So here 1 2, so here 1 unit is here and the second unit is here, the two square shape box. So here we need to find out the value of these things. So first, f of x equals to x square if we shift 3 units right. Okay, we are shifting 3 units right. So here f of x equals to x minus 3 whole square, or whole to the power 2. So here after the 2 units up, so here 2 units up, so here f of x equals to 2 units up. So here f of x equals to x minus 3 whole to the power 2 plus 2 units. So now we need to calculate like this way, x minus 3. So we need to apply the a minus b whole square, so x square x to the power 2 minus 2ab. So here x times 3 plus 3 to the power 2 plus 2. So here we will get x to the power 2 minus 2 times 3 equals to 6x plus 3 times 3 equals to 9 plus 2 equals to 11. So here we will get the x square, so x times x, here 6 and 11. So the function is, ultimate function is this, because we have to find out the function. So this is the transform function for this expression. So now today our next problem is here even and odd function. Determine whether the function f of x equals to x to the power 3 minus or negative x is even, odd, or neither. So we need to find out the value, or find out the function is negative, even, or odd. So here for f of x minus x equals to, for f of x for all function. Okay, so now f of x, sorry, for all even function, and f of x was to minus of minus f of x for all odd functions. Okay, so now we need to write down the next step is like, so the next step, here after that we need to calculate the function, like here you can see. So the first step is f of x, f of minus x. We need to consider the negative x, and now we need to calculate like this way, a negative x whole to the power 3, or to the power 3 negative, it's a negative x again, because we need to change the replace with the negative x. So here we will get this function, and now calculate, it's a x minus x power cube So here we will get it's a negative x cube, and here minus and minus, so minus times minus equals to plus, and here positive x. So now we will get f of minus x equals to minus x cube plus x. So here if we take a common for negative, so here we will get x cube and minus x. So here we can write down these things, cause our main function is f of x equals to x to the power cube minus x. So here outside is minus, and here also we can take minus, so it's a minus function of x. So here we can prove by this calculation, like f of minus x equals to minus f of x. So the function is odd, so the function is odd. So it has been proved. So now today our next problem is injective one-to-one function. So this is the one-to-one function you need to prove. So here first we will write down the function f of x equals to x to the power cube plus 2x. So here first we will consider f of a equals to f of b. So here we will consider like a equals to b. So for this function we will replace by a and b. So function of a equals to function of b. So here we will set this function for a and b. So first a cube 2 times a equals to b cube b to the power 3 plus 2 times b. So here if we change the side for this case, this function or this expression, so here a cube minus b cube plus 2a minus 2b equals to 0. So now we need to change, like we need to apply the a cube minus b cube rules or theory. Here a minus b, here a square plus ab plus b square. So here also for these two expression, here we can take common for 2 a minus b, sorry, a minus b equals to 0. So now here you can see for this expression and this expression we can take a minus b as a common attribute. So a minus b, then we will get a square plus ab plus b square plus 2 equals to 0. So here a minus b equals to 0. So here we will get a equals to b. For this expression or this we can prove the injectivity for this function and another function, and here it is possible, this relation is possible for this function, and another way is positive. So here a square plus ab plus b square plus 2 equals to or greater than equals to 0. So here if we remove the real number, we can consider a square plus ab plus b square is greater than 0. So here we will not get any value, real-time value. So that's why the relation is not possible for this function, so we can consider this 1 equals to b. So today our next problem is a composite function, and we need to find fog of x, so function of g of x. So first we need to consider here, so our today's function is f of x equals to 3x plus 1, and here g of x equals to x square, or x to the power 2 minus 2. So we need to find out the function of g of x. So first we need to calculate this one, and then we need to put the value. This is a function of g of x. Okay, so for f of x function, we need to consider, or we need to replace x by x square minus 2. So for x we need to put x square minus 2. So here 3 times x square, or x to the power 2 minus 2 plus 1 plus 1. So here we will get 3 times x to the power 2, 3 times 2 equals to 6, plus 1. So here 3x to the power 2 minus 5. So this is the function, or f of z of x. So thanks for watching this video. Hope you have understand about all about the maths and functional problems today I have shared with you. So if you have any kinds of doubt about these types of mathematics, you can join us at our private Facebook group named as AIO Competitive Exam, or you can see also EduBuds. So thanks for watching again, and welcome to my channel for the newcomers, and I hope this video will be helpful for all over the students. So goodbye for now. Meet with you for the next tutorial. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you have no doubts. If you feel you have doubts for these types of mathematics, you can join us at our private Facebook group named as AIO Competitive Exam. So here is powered by Bluebirds. So feel free to join us. There is fully free of cost. You will get different types of mathematics problem and its solution. So goodbye for now. See you again for the next tutorial.